Hello guys, in this video we will see the solution for the username is not in the Sudoers file. So when I run sudo apt update with this user, I am getting the error. So this R2schools is not in the Sudoers file. So the solution is we have to add this user in Sudoers file. So first switch to root account or any account which is having root privileges. Then vi/etc Sudoers, hit enter, scroll down. Now here after root, press I to insert mode, then give the username. I am having the problem with this user. Then all equals to brackets all, type the same above, all, again all. Then save the file. Now exit. I have exited from root account. Now run the same sudo apt update command. See, the error is gone. Now we are able to perform the actions as the sudo user. So we have fixed the solution for the user is not in the Sudoers file. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.